Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, from Girl You Foxy, we have received our August box. And I'm a bit late getting out to you on this and showing you what I received inside. But I just wanted to show you how excited I am because I am a real big lover of what's in this box. And I just want to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do with the contents in the box. I'm just going to show you some little clips of how I do it, when I do it, and show you some results so that way it can encourage you to love the box just as much as I do. So we're just going ahead and jump right. So there you have it, my fellow gardeners. Plant it and watch it grow. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy and Gardening with Mel.